You can find the Machine Alerts section by going to Alerts, then Machine. With the drop-down menu here set to All Alerts, you will see all alerts communicated by your devices. It is important to visit this page daily so you can stay up to date on all your machines and get any issues taken care of quickly. You must log into this page to view these alerts. In this video, we will cover each type of alert with useful information and helpful troubleshooting steps. We will begin by selecting Power Lost Battery Alerts from this drop-down menu to narrow our focus. These devices have lost power, creating an out-of-touch condition, meaning the devices are unable to report. The machines on this list will require immediate attention. To resolve this issue, first check to make sure the machine is plugged into power. Most commonly, this alert is triggered by unplugged machines or a loss of power at the site. Also, make sure the MDB cable is securely plugged into the device. The MDB cable provides power to the device from the machine. Now select Out of Touch Alerts from the drop-down menu. The devices in this list are not connecting with a cellular network. This condition is most likely due to an inconsistent or poor signal at the machine's location. If you're doing telemetry only on the machine, the minimum recommended signal is 6. If the machine will be running cashless transactions, the signal should be 13 or above. To check signal history, hover your mouse here. No matter the signal, it is a good idea to power cycle the machine to see if the modem will reconnect. If the device does not connect after starting the machine, the next step would be to swap the device. Next, go to Dex Alerts in the drop-down menu. The devices listed here have not been able to receive audit data from the machine via Dex. It is common to see machines here with a Dex issue that have a fair to excellent connection signal. This problem requires a visit to the machine to troubleshoot the issue. Make sure that all Dex cable connections are secure. Here is the Dex cable. The Dex cable may connect here on the control board or on top of the control board. Make sure the power is off, pull loose and reinsert, snapping it into place. Next, pull the control board cover off. Follow the other end of your Dex connection into the control board. Squeeze the tab and pull out. Then plug it back in. Then check to verify a Dex connection. Press and hold the black button on the orange box till the Dex light starts flashing green. Watch the Dex light and it should turn solid green, and the telemetry light should then start flashing and go solid. A solid green Dex light would indicate that the Dex issue is resolved. If the Dex light turns red, then the harness is bad and there is a machine issue. Contact support for assistance as needed. Next, go to Temperature Alerts. These machines' ambient temperature has risen above or below the established threshold. The devices on this page have a temperature sensor probe connected in order to detect the change in temperature. By default, there is a preset temperature range in the temperature setting window when the device reports. You can customize your temperature range to suit your needs. When machines appear on the temperature alerts page, it is not necessarily because the temperature probe is not working. We recommend going out to the machine to troubleshoot immediately to avoid having items spoil in the machine. Finally, let's look at the Device Not Activated alert. Devices with this alert are not activated but linked to a machine. Check the devices on this page to verify that they should be activated. Activate them if necessary. If not, add a note and move it to out of order status. To do this, click on the Out button on the right. Then type a note detailing the reason for the out of order condition. Click the OK button when complete. The out of order machine will be moved to a list on the bottom of the alerts page. Once the issue on the machine has been resolved, you can bring it back into service by selecting the In button on the right here. This will remove it from the out of order list.